Cornelian cherry.
Cornelian cherry.
Brazilian guava.
Brazilian guava.
African cucumber.
African cucumber.
Pepino.
Pepino.
Mountain papaya.
Mountain papaya.
Red banana.
Red banana.
Bitter orange.
Bitter orange.
Buddha's hand.
Buddha's hand.
Calamansi.
Calamansi.
Melinjo.
Melinjo.
Gack.
Yak.
Ambarella.
Ambarella.
K-apple.
K-apple.
Mulberry.
Mulberry.
Lucat.
Locat.
White sapote.
White sapote.
Rose apple.
Rose apple.
Indian gooseberry.
Indian gooseberry.
Sarvisberry.
Serviceberry.
Bilberry. Papaw.
Pawpaw.
Custard apple.
Custard apple.
Chirimoya.
Cherimoya.
Black sapote.
Black sapote.
Feijoa.
Feijoa.
Jabuticaba.
Jabuticaba.
Suriname cherry.
Suriname cherry.
Langsat.
Langsat.
Bale.
Bale.
Tamarind.
Tamarind.
Santal.
Santal.
Ackee.
Ackee.
Maracuja.
Maracuja.
Horned melon.
Horned melon.
Ugly fruit.
Ugly fruit.
Balimbai.
Bilimbi.
Chayote.
Chayote.
Cactus pear.
Cactus pear.
Medlar.
Medlar.
Cloudberry.
Cloudberry.
Huckleberry.
Huckleberry.
Salic.
Salic.
Breadfruit.
Breadfruit.
Miracle fruit.
Miracle fruit.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
Soursop.
Soursop.
Sapodilla.
Sapodilla.
Longan.
Longan.
Kumquat.
Kumquat.
Quince.
Quince.
Jujube.
Jujube.
Acerola.
Acerola.
Acai.
Acai.
Loganberry.
Loganberry.
Boysenberry.
Boysenberry.
Currant.
Currant.
Gooseberry.
Gooseberry.
Elderberry.
Elderberry.
Mulberry.
Mulberry.
Cranberry.
Cranberry.
Persimmon.
Persimmon.
Satsuma.
Satsuma.
Clementine.
Clementine.
Tangerine.
Tangerine.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
Lime.
Lime.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Avocado.
Avocado.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Date.
Date.
Fig.
Fig.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Rambutan.
Rambutan.
Durian.
Durian.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Lychee.
Lychee.
Guava.
Guava.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Nectarine.
Nectarine.
Apricot. Plum.
Plum.
Peach.
Peach.
Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Honeydew.
Honeydew.
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Grape.
Grape.
Cherry.
Cherry.
Blackberry.
Blackberry.
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Mango.
Mango.
Orange.
Orange.
Banana.
Banana.
Apple.
Apple.